Hello guys and welcome to my channel Hunter, back with another video, and today we will see an amazing moving average trend trading strategy, guys. So this strategy has a really high win rate, and you can trade it if you are a beginner or if you are looking for a good moving average strategy. This one is for you guys, okay? So you will need two moving averages and this indicator. I'll show you the name and the settings right after, okay? We will just see the rules. As long as you follow the rules, the strict rules, you will be profitable, guys, okay? So well, the strategy is really easy. When the moving averages, the red one crosses the green one, we are in a downtrend. Okay, you will wait for the you have two choices. Either you wait for the price to touch the red line or the green line, or just a simple pullback as if right here. Okay, and then we'll wait for this indicator to cross, and then you will enter, for example, right here. Boom, we enter, put the stop loss just right here, and you can see, and you can aim for a 1 to 2, a 1 to 1 right here. Boom. So this was the first setup, or the first case. So when you are in a downtrend, obviously you will only look for sales, guys. Second one is when the price touches the red right here, and you wait for the cross. If the cross happened before, it's okay, okay? Boom, right here. Amazing, perfect. So this is a trend trading strategy, okay? So the settings right here is 5 and 27, and the settings for the moving average are 200 and 100, okay? I removed the third one, only need two, okay guys? So let's see a buying setup. As you see right here, we have now the red crossed the green, so we will only look for buys, which means we look down here. Whenever it crosses and the price touches, we will buy. Boom, boom, boom. You see, I mean, is this a no-loss trading strategy? Or I think this is really profitable as long as you follow the rules, okay? And the name of this indicator is this one. You just write buy, and it will show this one right here by Excel Arjona, if I said it right. Yeah, it is this one. So there you go, guys. This was the trading strategy. When you have no volatility in the prices like this, you don't trade. You only trade when the trend is happening. Right here, right here. Okay, guys. Same right here. You see a downtrend. Look at this trade, guys. Look at this one right here, or this one right here. Boom. See? So yeah, guys, this was the trading strategy. If you did like it, comment and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. We want to go to 1000 subscribers, so let's do it, guys. Please share the video, and yeah, it was Hunter, and I'm out. Peace.